Now let's connect Firebase to this project, and then we will proceed for authentication, and also I will store user data into the backend. For that we will use Cloud Firestore. And to connect the Firebase, I will go to my browser. I am on the website console.firebase.google.com. If you visit this website, you will see this kind of dashboard. So I will create a new project. I will name it Magic Diary, and with double Y, just because I don't want to duplicate the name. So what you can write any name on here, whatever you want. So I will click on continue. I will uncheck this analytics. All of these options you can enable anytime you want to enable from project setup that we are going to create. So you don't need to enable all of these in a very start. So create project, and our project is ready. And now I want to connect my application for Android. So I will click on Android, and here we need to write our package name, whatever package name we have for our application. So to find the package name, I will go to the Android directory and then app directory and then src, and here we have this main folder. In the main folder you will get this file manifest, android manifest.xml, and here you will see your package name right above the application tag. I will copy this package name and I will paste this package name on here. You can give any nickname you want to give to your application. So I will say Magic Diary, and here we need to write SHA-1 code, which is necessary if you are going to authentication. So let me show you how we can generate SHA-1 for this application. Go to terminal and write go to Android directory by writing cd android and now /gradle w sign in report and press enter, and it will generate SHA-1 and SHA-256. And here we have this SHA-1 code. I will copy this code from here and I will paste this code on here and register application, and I will download this google services.json file. Now I have this file in my downloads folder. I will go to my downloads folder, and here we have this file. I will copy this file from here and I will go to my Android. Here you need to paste this file inside app folder, and here I will paste this google services.json file. And this file contains all of the necessary information of your Flutter application and your Firebase project. So let's go back to the browser and click next. From here we need to copy this dependency, copy this one, and we need to paste this in a project level Gradle. Here you will see this build.gradle file, and paste it inside this dependencies section. And now we need to copy this one, and now we need to paste this dependency in app level Gradle. So for that, go to this app folder, and here you will get this build.gradle, and right after this apply plugin, you can change this ID to plugin to apply, and then space and then plugin, and just make sure the indentation is correct, and that's it. Go back to the browser, click next, and continue to console. So we are done with connecting our project with Firebase, and now let's enable the authentication for this project and click on get started. And now I want to do email and password authentication. So I will enable this one and I will save it. And if I go to the user section, whenever a new user will register to the application, you will be able to see that user on here. And also here we need to enable this Firestore database, just because after signing up, after registration, I want to store user data into the backend. So for that I will create a database on here to use for this Flutter application. I will start in a test mode, and after finishing the application I will change this to production mode. So just because now we are into development of the application, so we can go with this one and click next and enable. And now our database is also ready.